Hey friends! Yesterday I asked a few of you guys if you guys wanted to learn how to make these gluten-free, low-fat flatbreads. You guys hit the DMs and said you guys wanted this recipe, so you asked and you shall receive. Let's get started. In a large bowl, we're going to start with some all-purpose flour. I'm going to do 1/3 of a cup. Actually, I'm lying. To make self-rising flour, all you need is flour, a little dash of salt. That's roughly and about a teaspoon of baking powder. Next, this is what I did. You don't have to, but I found it brought it a lot of flavor. I'm gonna add some garlic and onion powder. For the star of the show, we have this Greek non-fat yogurt. I'm gonna do about this much. Work your way up. So I'm gonna add a little more until I get the consistency that I'm looking for. So it should look like this once you've incorporated enough. And we're gonna flour our surface and work that ball, and then flatten it into a circle. Usually you would use a rolling pin. I don't have that. We're gonna keep this nice and ghetto. I'm gonna cut it into 4s because I don't wanna make too many. Flour your surface again, and we're just gonna roll this out. You wanna try to get it as circular as possible. I have some fresh parsley here that I'm going to cut up. So I have some melted butter here. I'm gonna toss in some garlic, parsley, some thyme, and Italian seasoning. This is what we're gonna smother on top of our flatbreads once it's done. Now we're gonna go fry these babies up. There you have it. You serve it with your favorite tzatziki sauce. I think I'm pronouncing that right. I hope I am. So let's give it a try. Nice and flaky. Bon appetit.